Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn about record pages in Salesforce. What is a record page in Salesforce? A record page in Salesforce is a customized layout that displays detailed information about a single record, such as an account, contact, or opportunity. It's like a unique view for each record where users can see important fields, related lists, charts, and take actions, all in one place. Why do we use a record page? We use record pages to organize and display all the relevant data for a specific record in one layout. For example, a sales rep can view details about a single opportunity, see related contacts, view a timeline of interactions, and update the status all without switching between multiple screens. Real-time example. Let's say you're creating a record page for a customer service agent. You want to show the following components: a case details section, a related contacts list, and a case history timeline. This record page will help the agent see the case status, view related contacts, and track all previous interactions all in a single view. How to create a record page in Salesforce. To create a record page, start by going to the Setup menu. Next, type Lightning App Builder in the Quick Find box. Select it from the options. Click New to start creating a new Lightning page. Choose Record Page as your page type. Click Next. Give your record page a label. For this example, we'll name it Case Management Page. Select the object for which you want to create the record page. For example, select Case from the drop-down menu. Choose a layout that fits your design needs. For our example, let's choose Header and Left Sidebar. Click Done. Now it's time to add components. Drag and drop components from the left panel onto your layout. Let's add a contact record form, a local ID list, and a iterator loop LWCs. Once you're happy with your design, click Save. And then activate to make your new record page available for use. Finally, assign your record page to the relevant Salesforce app. Choose the app default. Select Assign as App Default, and then assign it to the appropriate app. For example, Recruitment. Click Next. Check your form factor. Click Next. Review your assignments. Click Save. Navigate to the Recruitment app to check our new record page. Select Case Object. Choose any record. You can see our new Case Management record page. And that's it. Record pages in Salesforce are a great way to create custom views for different roles, making it easier for users to access the right data and tools in one place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Salesforce guides. See you next time. This is Naveen signing off.